Good morning mga kalola. It was a pleasant day yesterday. As you can see, we have a clear view of the Mount Isarog, which is just in front of our house where we live in. I was so inspired taking this video because of the good weather. At night time, the rain begins to pour till dawn. It was due to Typhoon Paeng, which we learned through the news. Heavy rains intensifies as you can see and hear in this video. It's like raining cats and dogs. That's why there was a slight flooding in our area. It was raining the whole afternoon, and the rain stopped for a while in the mid-afternoon. Then we heard a siren and a brief announcement from our barangay officials telling everyone who lives in a low and flood-prone area to proceed to the evacuation center because typhoon is expected to landfall soon. We immediately stocked foods and emergency kits, emergency lights, flashlights, batteries, and the rain started to pour again. When the rain stopped again, the flood still rising. And there is a power interruption. That means we should prepare for the coming typhoon. And when the night comes, the rain poured even more. The rain didn't stop till dawn. I tried to open the windows, but the wind was strong enough not to open it. In the morning, when the weather was calm, I saw a farmer looking for a fish to catch in the flooded rice field. There was another farmer doing the same thing.
Baha na. Popo.
I went out of the house to check the depth of the water and to do some errands. While I was walking, I happened to pass by a rolling store selling hot pandesal. I was amazed to see the oven in the tricycle with a gas tank securely installed in the tricycle and interviewed him while there were customers buying.
Nagdinap ni. Mainit pa piganan. Gili. Okay, ano mobile. Mobile bakery. Bakal daw alugod ako. Sa 50 pesos. Paananta. Kasarin pa ni Noy. Ganay. Sen ka hali. Milaor, grabe.
I highly admired this vendor despite of the weather condition. He managed to work to earn for a living for his family.
Yan yan. Saan ka mo at pinag-personalize. Maganda si ano niya, si takot niya. Kinibong garo ano. Ning ano yan, atop ano. Ganyan. Para diretso na.
It's raining hard again. I have to go home. Thank you for watching. Ciao bella.